The Air Jordan 1 Low SE Obsidian University Gold brings a calm yet powerful aesthetic, mixing premium white leather with deep obsidian suede for a textured, expressive look. This special edition model highlights the classic AJ1 lineage that began in 1985, while offering a modern twist perfect for everyday streetwear. A dark blue swoosh sharpens the silhouette, paired with navy laces that create striking contrast against the crisp white upper. The University Gold Jumpman on the tongue adds a subtle pop, while the bold chili red wings logo on the heel delivers eye-catching detail. A slightly yellowed midsole introduces a vintage vibe, balanced by the obsidian outsole that grounds the design with steady depth. The blend of leather and suede shifts gently with each step, giving the sneaker a character that grows over time. Ideal for viewers looking for a standout yet wearable colorway, this Air Jordan 1 Low SE proves that quiet style can still make a strong statement on the streets.